Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can check recently watched reels on Instagram. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the homepage. Here, tap on the Reels icon at the bottom right corner. Now, if you want to watch a reel again, even after you have scrolled way down and gone back to the account's homepage, you just need to go back to the Reels tab and scroll upward. Eventually, you will get to that reel again. Another thing you can do is if you have interacted with a reel in any way. For example, if I like this reel and close the Reels tab, and if after a day or week, I want to watch this reel again, I can just go to the profile page of my account and then access the activity settings by opening the hamburger menu. Inside it, tap on the Likes tab and you will be able to locate that specific reel and watch it again. So that's basically how you can check recently watched reels on Instagram. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.